Hey everyone, welcome back to my Java Brick Breaker series. In this episode, we'll add a simple game loop and animation to move the ball automatically. By the end, your ball will bounce around the screen, making our game feel alive. Let's get started. First, open your game.panel.java file in NetBeans. This is where we'll add our game loop and movement logic. At the top of your class, right under the ball position, add two variables to control the ball's direction. This means the ball moves left and upward initially. Next, import timer class to the game panel. Now, let's add the move method to update the ball's position and handle screen edges. This code moves the ball and reverses its direction if it hits the left, right, or top edges. Next, let's create a simple game loop using timer from Swing. Add this inside your constructor. This sets up a timer that runs every 8 milliseconds, calls our move method to update positions, and repaints the panel to show the changes. Save your file and run game window.java. You should see the ball moving and bouncing off the window edges. The panel is still static. We'll handle collisions next. In the next episode, we'll add keyboard controls to move the paddle and handle ball collisions properly. Don't forget to like, subscribe,